All right, let's jump into this question. We got 3x plus b equal to 5x minus 7. We got 3y plus c is equal to 5y minus 7. In the equations above, b and c are constant. If b is c minus 1 half, which of the following is true? Now, one thing we need to notice here real quick is that the answers are given in terms of x, so that's kind of going to guide our answers. So notice everything is written in terms of x. So I want to write the equation x being equal to something with y. All right, so let's jump into this problem. Let's start off with the first problem real quick. We got 3x plus, first part of the problem, 3x plus b equal to 5x minus y. Now, if I have that being the situation, what I know real quick is that they told us that b is c minus 1 half. So I can rewrite this. b is going to be equal to c minus 1 half. That's super important. In a minute, you're going to see with that problem. So let's jump into that now real quick. For the first one, we got 3x plus b equal to 5x minus 7. What I'm going to do here, I'm going to solve for x. I'm going to subtract 5x from both sides. Subtract 5x from both sides. I get negative 2x plus b equal to negative 7. Now, again here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to now solve for x. So this is negative 2x equal to minus b minus 7. There's a negative here, so I'm going to divide everything by negative. This is going to be 2x equal to b plus 7. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to replace, let's just put this in, I'm going to replace my b with that right here. So this is going to be 2x equal to c minus 1 half plus 7. Now, if I divide everything by 2, I'm going to get x equal to c divided by 2. If I divide 1 half or negative 1 half by 2, I'm going to get negative a quarter. And if I divide 7 by 2, I'm going to get 7 divided by 2. So that's going to work out to be that part of the problem. Now, I'm going to rearrange this for a little bit. This is going to be x equal to c divided by 2 plus 7 over 2, and I'm going to put this negative 1/4 to the end. I kind of want to notice this for a minute, because in a minute you're going to see how this is important to finish up this problem. So let's look at the second part of the equation now. 3y plus c equal to 5y minus 7. Let's again solve for y. So this is going to be 3y plus c equal to 5y minus 7. Subtracting 5y from both sides. This is going to be minus 2y plus c equal to negative 7. Now solving for y, this is going to be negative 2y subtracting c is going to be equal to negative c minus 7. And then I'm going to divide everything by negative 2. So y is going to be equal to c divided by 2, because negative divided by negative is a positive. So that's going to be 7 divided by 2. Now, for clear observation, if you look at this carefully, you notice now this coincides with that. So we're pretty much finished if you kind of spot the pattern right there. So x then is going to be equal to this part here. This first part right here is going to be y. So this is going to be y minus 1/4, because c over 2 plus 7 over 2, as we can clearly see right here, is going to be my y. As a result, my answer is going to be x is y minus 1/4, and this is going to be my answer.